Okay. Hi, HPS peeps. Sorry you missed a work day. So today we're gonna make a box with countersinks, a slot, and a hole. It's like the workflow. And I've been told I need to narrate this to make it more spicy. So right now I'm trying to draw the rectangle. See, this whole thing is based on that PowerPoint I sent out to everyone. So yeah, so I'm drawing the top view because that's the easiest place to get started. So I'm just like dimensioning my box. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da da da. Ta-da! And now we have a box. And also this thing is in like not freedom units. So it's in I forgot what not freedom units is. So now I'm drawing like the hole. It's a through hole, by the way. Yeah. I don't know. Oh, I hate my leader lines. They're like all messed up for some reason. Anyways, so yeah, it's like 25 millimeters in diameter. Okay. Oops, yeah, that's the thing I was talking about. So if you're absent, you should like start with the drawing first, not like follow this tutorial. But yeah, so now I'm just like centering it. Not centering, I'm just like, oh, just marking out the distances where it should be. Yeah, pretty dope. Pretty cool. Yeah. I don't know why. I feel like this dimension's a little weird. I wouldn't do it that way personally, but whatever. I'm following our engineering drawing. Now we're gonna draw a slot. So, da 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 da. Yep, there you go. So to my dimension a slot, you can dimension it through like the width of the thing. So that's what I'm doing. Or you can dimension it through dimensioning the radius of the thing because you know the width equals the diameter. Math. Ta-da! Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da da da. Da 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 da. This YouTube channel will come and haunt me. So I'm doing proper dimensioning. I think it's important to do it even when you're drawing and when no one sees it because it's just like you just can't see your damn dimensions and that's not really cool, you know? Okay. So yeah. Dimensioning. Da 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 da. Okay. Yeah, just more dimensioning. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I don't know why my leader line is like that. I'm trying to figure it out. But like, what are you gonna do, right? Da 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 da. If like everyone on HPS sees this, I feel like I'll be scarred for life. Okay, now we're gonna do like extrude boss so that we can extrude it by 100 millimeters. Yeah, so you can see, ta-da! Suddenly you have a slot and a hole. So now we're gonna do a countersink. A countersink is basically a hole where you put in screws. So there's like two systems of which you have your countersinks and counter screws. There's the metric and the imperial. I use metric here. I don't know why, but it doesn't matter because it's like custom anyways, right? Anyway, so here I am putting on the first countersink, right? Up, 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 up. Okay. And now I'm putting the second one up there, right? Okay, that's coolsy woolsy. Okay, now I'm just dimensioning it. I think it's 50. Yep. That. And the other one is also 50. I can get it right. 50. Yay. So like the holes need to align with each other. So you press the center of the first hole and the second hole. So you control, press, press, right? And then you click vertical so they will align vertically. Yay! You can do that with many lines too. It's called like line properties or something like that. And I think I'm happy with it. No, I forgot to dimension something. Okay, okay. So yeah. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I think it's good. And then boom! Suddenly you got two countersinks whole a slot and a hole. Congratulations, you make a piece that probably can hold something down. And then me saving up my work. Oh yeah, DVC's because I went to Diablo Valley College. Eh, eh, it was kind of mid. No, can say that. I'm gonna cut this out. Okay, now we're gonna do the engineering drawing portion, right? So I just picked the one that I felt like that day. Doesn't matter. Okay. So again, we drag these little pictures to the drawing canvas. So let's see what past Carly Hoon did. So I guess I start with the top view. And then wow. And I drag it. And now it's the front view. And then now it's like messed up, so I don't like it, right? And then I believe I dragged the right view next. Okay, me being a little confused. I was like, oh, why is there no left, like right view? I like the right view. And I was like, oh, okay, yeah, there we go, the right view. Yep. And then, there usually is an isometric view. It's not necessary, but it's like good for clarity's sake. You know, you want to know what the whole thing looks like, not like guess. Not everybody has a good visual sense, right? All right, that's pretty cool. Okay, so now I press that. I forgot what button it's called, but that just reveals what the holes inside look like. So in like a classical engineering drawing, you actually draw it by hand, but we have the magic of technology. Yeah. Anyways, so we're gonna dimension stuff now. Oh yeah, we're gonna show more holes. Uh, you don't have to do this MA3, relax. We have computers, but these dotted lines just show you where the holes are. So it doesn't look too bland and boring. Okay, now I think we're gonna start dimensioning. Yep, there we go. Da 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 da. I don't know what that is. Eh. Da 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 da. I believe I don't actually put that there at the end. I forgot. I just like it isn't very aesthetically pleasing to me. But yeah, this whole dimensioning gig is about aesthetics too. So that's kind of important. Good to keep in mind. Me just like figuring out which place is better to put the 175 dimension. I don't believe I put that there at the end because like it's so messy. Like look. And also your leader line shouldn't go like that. It should have an arch. It should taper. So I don't know what's wrong with my SolidWorks. Couldn't be bothered to fix it. Um yeah. Look at me trying to fix it and don't know what to do. I'm just like, hmm, what would past me do? Yeah, I'm attempting to fix it. Eh, I don't think I succeeded. And also, I was in a rush to watch Twilight with my friend, so sorry. Anyways, was I rushing you right to watch Twilight? I don't believe I was. Whatever. Anyways, look at me just like trying to like figure it out. I didn't figure it out. And that's when I decided to move the 175 dimension down since we got free views anyways. Like the whole point of dimensioning is just not to block the other like dimension lines so you can see everything clearly. Nothing should cross each other. That's a big thing. No, none of the dimension lines should ever cross each other. They can be collinear, sure, but like no crossing. That's a big no-no. You get yelled at probably by someone, but not me. Too laid back for that. Yep. Okay, there we go. And then, it just like when it like all the dimensions, it just figured it's like an angle or something to remedy that. Probably don't click on the center for one. Like God. Yeah, I believe you. Click on that. Ugh. Yeah, this is a mistake I made. I should have pressed escape key so that everything is unclicked. Whoops. Guess I didn't do that. But yeah. So you click on the circumference and that, and there you go. Oh my God. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. Ugh. Did I over dimension this? No, I did the wrong thing. Oops. Yep, there you go. At this point, I was just memorizing it because I was just like, oh, you know, it's like so annoying clicking back and forth between that and the drawing. Anyways, okay, see, everything is away from each other. Everything should be clear. Okay. Okay, what am I doing now? Oh yeah, I did say radius isn't very used often in terms of nomenclature, just one of the scenarios where you use it. But you technically don't have to because, well, you can just dimension the width of the slot and it's like the same thing. So you see me trying to get away with it and not doing it, right? Da 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 da. Alright, I draw a center line because, like pointing at nothing is kind of gross and we don't like that here. Oh, ooh, look at that. That's a big no-no. As you can see, that's a big no-no. Like crossing lines, crossing leader lines. 5 points off your exam. So you see, like that's a barely passable thing. I'll be honest with you. Please don't do that in a real drawing. It's like okay though, but could be better. Me dimensioning the holes. Oh, thank God! Look at that. It's automatic. Isn't it beautiful? Anyways, center mark. Oh yeah, there we go. So you might want to draw a center line for the slot, just so you have something to dimension off of. And do I have anything more to do? Oh yeah. I switched the dimensions at the end because I liked it better. Aesthetics. So looks like it makes sense, right? It looks good. Looks clean. Everything looks nice. Uh, what else am I dimensioning now? Oh yeah, the distances, huh? Alright. Again, don't be a dum-dum like me. Um, I think you click on don't click on the inner diameter. Oh my God. Oh, you know what? Past me is in such a rush to line up for Twilight. It's crazy. Okay. Anyways, alright. Finally. Oh my God, I got it. Oh my God. Thank God. Okay. Ah, up, 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 up. There we go. Ah, go away, random box. And then pull it down, so that, you can see everything clearly. Yep. Okay. And then, up, 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 up. No, don't put it there. Did I actually put it there at the end? Did I? Yeah, that's kind of acceptable. Oh my God. I think I did okay. It wasn't horrible. Oh, but you can tell it was definitely a rush. Alright. Oh my God, don't look at my YouTube recommended.